Someone whose mom pays you to be friends with them. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And here, as you can see, I only have viral trends, so you can check these too if you want. So you have to click until you find that story. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And at the end of the story, once I will do it, I will show you from where you can get that link from the Instagram app. So yeah, now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo. So I will just go with this photo right here. It doesn't really matter to me, guys, because this is just an example for you, but you can make it perfect. And now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So yeah, guys, now let me show you from where you can get that add yours button, link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find it. You just have to click until you find it. So there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.